How to give Robux to friends. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to access your Roblox via the web version. Access create.roblox.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. The method I'm going to be providing you right now is actually through a Game Pass. Just head into Creations, and then from Creations, just simply choose on the pre-made game that you have created so you can access Game Passes. At the left portion of your screen, you will see multiple options. Just simply scroll down till you find the field of monetization and heading into passes. Now, if you already created a game pass, this will actually look like this. But if you haven't, just simply click on create a pass and make sure that you have input the specific amount on how much you will be giving out to your friends. Now in here, what you want to do is just to copy the pass ID and paste it to your friends and let them buy the game pass that you created, depending on the amount that you guys have talked about. Now take note that there's actually a 30% of tax that will be deducted on the original price. And that is how you give Robux to friends.